After 14 days, it was time to move on. We hitched up and hit the road, heading further into Colorado. Join us as we spend a few days down at a spot by the river and then cross into Kansas. There, we realize our build is missing something crucial in Kansas, a tornado shelter. I'm excited for where we're going next. I have no idea. Somewhere in Colorado?
Somewhere in Colorado. It's not going to be as spectacular as that.
Yeah, that was a pretty epic spot. We're definitely going to come back.
Yeah. That was the first place we ever stayed the full 14 too.
Yeah. Elvis, what happened to your legs? And then Elvis, did you try to lay in the mud? Drink water?
I think that's enough. Come on.
All right, we just got back from our walk and it's starting to cool down. The sun's starting to slip lower and lower, so it's now or never. Time to jump in the creek. My feet have brain freeze. Did you get a toy? Elvis? Is that your ball? Did you get a ball? That's a cool ball. Elvis. Elvis. The kitty's playing with your ball. Charlie, are you playing with Elvis's ball? That's not a very welcome to you. Okay, I did see in the fine print on the Kansas sign, very fine, it says that they welcome you. Thank you, Kansas. We are in Kansas right now and got the fan whirring and all the windows open. It's 8 o'clock here. We jumped ahead an hour and it's finally starting to cool down. We have a really nice lake spot. I'll show you. It's literally just right outside the window. And I guess as happens many times here, there's some storm clouds brewing, so that should be exciting. So yeah, we're just a little tired settling in for the night. We took a little walk and we're gonna have a nice relaxing evening. Charlie? Hey, Charlie? So I'm outside doing yoga and I happen to look up during cow pose and see this massive snake right above me. Well, we just got an emergency alert, and it's calling for destructive, in all caps, baseball-sized hail. We have to take shelter in a sturdy building away from windows. So let's see what it looks like outside. Someone is scared of the thunder, and he's hiding under the table. Someone else is getting a front row seat and is very excited about all of the theatrics that are happening around. All right, so now the crisis of the hail-sized or the baseball-sized hail is over, but now we have a tornado warning. And it is 9:17, and until 9:45, take shelter now in a basement or interior room, blah, blah, blah. So I'm not gonna lie, no idea what's going on. So fingers crossed we'll be okay. I'm going to do what I always do in stressful situations, and that is clean, because it's kind of messy in here. Chad's in the midst of editing our video that was supposed to go out today. Hopefully it will, but obviously the weather is being extremely intense and photo-worthy / anxiety-provoking, so that's where we're at. Wish us luck. Chad, woo! Chad, you want to come inside? Chad, I don't like you out there right now. Party boat's still out in the water. So the fire department just came by to check on us and make sure that we know where to go. It's pretty close. Hasn't passed through yet. It's 9:37. Here it is on the radar. We were just outside and the wind just picked up like crazy. I'm kind of shaking, so hopefully the auto or whatever image stabilization kicks in. So, yay, Kansas. Wild. Our plan would be to grab Elvis and Charlie, throw her in a bag or something, and run up to this little bathroom made out of stone. So, I don't know. This is like a little bit out of my comfort zone. Last night was terrifying for me, at least. Chad was cool as a cucumber. So I'm actually going to go outside and do a risk assessment on some of the clouds. Okay. Okay, let's start. Let's start with that one. above the trees. I would classify that as a pretty low risk, but actually if we move this way a little bit, there's a group of them, and clouds and groups have been known to combine forces that lead to like terrifying situations like last night. Those ones just look like they're kind of like out to have a good time, or they're going somewhere. Here's our sweet little camp, and there is the outhouse that we were instructed to run toward the other night when the tornado was forming over there. Let's take a closer look at our shelter, shall we? Okay, first impressions, no door. Knock, knock. All clear. Second impressions, two seats, nice arched ceilings, but here's the thing. Two seats may seem excessive, but if you're forced to run from a tornado, you're likely going to be scared shitless. So this way, Chad and I would both have a place to sit. He's like, I'm not gonna mess with that. Charlie, is this gonna be your album cover? You've got your arm casually strewn over your banjo case. Looking pensive, serious and sensitive at the same time. You've mastered all three looks. Inspired by recent events, take two. Well, it's never just a cloud when you're living in Kansas. Well, it's never just a cloud when you're living round here. Hey, it's never just a cloud when you're living in Kansas. Well, it's never just a cloud when you're living round here. Don't trust the skies when you're living in Kansas.